right, see you later. Cycling to me is everything. I mean, it's my profession, it's my hobby, it's what I've been into for the last 20 years. I love to road ride, I love to ride on gravel. And before I head out for a ride, I'm always thinking about where I'm going, who knows where I'm at. I might avoid a certain trail or a certain road because I know that it's a little bit risky and I don't want to be stuck out there on my own. Tech like Quinn's really cool because, if you take a crash, it's going to sense it and you can communicate with your emergency contact via sensors in the helmet. So I think that's pretty neat. Certainly now that I've got family, I'm a little bit more conscious about, where I'm going and whether I'm safe because I want to get back home. I want to know that I'm safe, but more importantly, my family wants to know that I'm safe. Whether I'm riding road or gravel or out on mountain bike trails, someone always knows where I'm at, and that's reassuring. And not only for me, but for my loved ones back home. So my wife knows where I'm at, and that's pretty important to me. When I'm planning where I'm going to ride, my rides can get pretty adventurous. Usually in the past, I've always given someone sort of a script of where I'm headed or a route on paper, but yeah, now that there's new tech like this, I can go wherever, really.